Rules of etiquette seem as or even similar to the laws in one's own culture. Cultural differences may appear even in such simple process as giving or receiving a gift. In Western cultures, a gift can be handed over to the receiver with relatively little ceremony. In Western culture, a gift can be handed over to the receiver with relatively little ceremony. With ceremony, relatively. Hands over to the receiver with relatively little ceremony. When a gift is offered, the receiver typically takes the gift while expressing his or her thanks. When a gift is offered, the receiver typically takes gift typically express loyal. However, in some in culture, the act of giving is an important aspect of gift giving. This process may appear confusing or frustrating to Westerners. Is an important aspect of gift giving, and this process may appear confusing or frustrating to Westerners. In Chinese culture, the receiver will typically refuse to accept the gift at first, with understanding between the giver and receiver that after being turned down 2 or 3 times, the gift will finally be accepted. There is understanding between the giver and receiver that after being turned down 2 or 3 times, the gift will finally be accepted. Refused, turned down. In addition, to show respect for the receiver, it is customary and civil Asian culture to use 2 hands when offering a gift to another person. In addition to show respect for the receiver, it is customary in several Asian cultures to use 2 hands when offering a gift to another person. Customary to use. After receiving a gift, tradition may demand that the person open the gift right away, or alternatively Wait before opening the gift. Tradition demand right away. Alternatively, in many Western cultures, etiquette requires the receiver to open the gift immediately and show application follows through. Thoughtfulness of the giver. In the cultures, on the other hand, the gift may be accepted appreciation and then set aside to be opened later. On the other hand, set aside. The gift will then be opened in private to avoid appearing greedy or impatient. Greedy. Another tip for cross-cultural gift-giving relates to wrapping presents, especially in choosing the color of paper used to wrap a gift. Cross-cultural relates to wrap. Another tip for cross-cultural gift-giving relates to wrapping presents, especially in choosing the color of paper used to wrap a gift. In Japan, for example, while all very bright colors, white or are traditionally not good choices for wrapping a gift. Bright color. Bright traditional. In Japanese culture, white is the color associated with mourning. The bright colors may be considered by some people to be vulgar because they are too flashy. Associated with mourning, vulgar, flashy, be considered to plain white and black are also to be avoided wrapping presents in China because of the relation of these colors to funerals. Joyful colors such as red, yellow, and pink are preferred in Chinese culture. Red, yellow, pink. In contrast, Europeans seem to prefer more subdued colors for wrapping presents. Subdued. Eggert roll over some for wrapping gifts. Roll some. Before business travelers is to travel with enveloped gifts and then wrap the gift with paper bought in the country with the given. Some and drop. Finally, when choosing the appropriate gift to give. A good rule to bear in mind following: never give vodka to Russian chocolate to Belgians, or beer to Germans. Appropriate. Bear in mind. Vodka. It is better to travel with quality gifts from original culture. Quality region. These are much more likely to be appreciated in other cultures because of their unique nature. Likely to appreciate unique nature.